And welcome back. Football is where we begin, and we head to the National Stadium where defending champions Cavalier were leading Waterhouse 2-0 in the second half of their return leg Nephew Jamaica Premier League quarter-final. The facility, Dwayne Allen in the 28th minute and Christopher Ainsworth in the 79th have been on target so far for Cavalier. The teams entered this evening's contest locked at 2-2 from the first leg. Now at 9 p.m. it will be a clash between two Portmore teams as seven-time champions Portmore United look to make up for letting a 3-0 lead slip on Sunday against Racing United. All four meetings between the teams between the two teams this season have ended in drawn results. The winner of the Cavalier versus Waterhouse encounter will play either Montego Bay United in the semi-finals, while Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA await the winner of the Portmore Racing United matchup.